Hello everyone. So from today let's start new topic, that is profit and loss. So before solving problems, it is important to know some important terms, that is cost price, selling price, gain and loss. So these are the basic terms. Except this we can't solve profit and loss problems. So what is cost price? The price at which an article is purchased. Okay, the price at which an article, anything we purchase is known as cost price. It is denoted as CP. Okay, this is CP. Later you get to know this formula. This is CP, cost price. Okay, and then what is selling price? The price at which an article is sold. Anything or any device, anything we buy, if I sold, then it is said to be selling price. Okay, it is denoted as SP, abbreviated as SP. Then what is profit, loss? Okay, profit is also known as gain. Okay, gain or profit. If a selling price is greater than cost price. For example, I bought anything for 500 rupees and I sold it for 650. Then selling price is greater, right? If I bought anything for 500, if I bought, that is cost price. If I buy, that is cost price, right? Then selling price, I sold that at 650 rupees. I sold that for 650 rupees. Here selling price is greater than cost price. So this is gain. What is gain? When selling price is greater than cost price, then it is said to be gain. Then what is loss? For example, same thing. I bought that thing for 500 itself and sold for 200 rupees. Okay, I bought for 500 rupees and sold it for 200. Here cost price is greater than selling price. So this is known as loss. What is loss? When cost price is greater than selling price, then it is said to be loss. Now we got to know what is gain and what is loss. So this is the formula for gain. When you are asked to find gain or profit and given in the question selling price and cost price, you should subtract selling price by cost price. Then you will get gain. And when you are asked to find loss and in the question cost price and the selling price is given, then you just subtract cost price by selling price, then you will get loss. Okay. Then, so today in this video, I will solve few questions related to only these 4 formulas. You will get some more formulas in profit and loss. So today let's try to solve only 4 formulas related questions, gain, loss, and one more we will get gain percent. Okay. Sometimes it asks that in a question to find gain percent. At that time we have formula gain into 100 by cost price. Okay, you know what is gain? Gain is selling price minus cost price. You should find like that. When you ask to find gain percent, gain into 100 by cost price. What is gain? Gain is selling price minus cost price. Okay, selling price minus cost price into 100 by cost price. Sometimes it will be directly given in the question the gain is, but in the sometimes it will be given in the question selling price and cost price and then asked to find gain percent. So at that time how to find gain? Then you should subtract selling price by cost price and then you will obtain gain, so that you can find gain percent easily, right? Then loss percent, same like that itself. Loss percent is loss into 100 by cost price. Just instead of in the place of gain, loss will come here. Loss into 100 by cost price. Okay. Sometimes directly it will be given loss and cost price and asked to find the loss percent. But in some question little bit tricky, and indirectly they will ask to find the loss percent by giving cost price and selling price. Then how to find loss? loss is find as cost price minus selling price into 100 by cost price. Then you will get loss percent. So remember this. By using these formulas, let's solve few questions today. Okay. First question is, Alfred buys an old scooter for rupees 4,700. Buys means this is selling price, right? 4,700, and spends rupees 800 on its repairs. Okay. First, Alfred buys an scooter, okay, for rupees 4,700 and spend rupees 800 on its repairs. Okay, we should plus that because he is spending his money itself, right? So 4,700 he already spent on buying scooter, and rupees 800 he is spending on its repairs, and then he sells. Cost price. Buys means cost price, right? 4,700 and 800. Complete 4,700 and 800 will be his cost price because he is spending 800 extra on its repairs. 0, 15, 5,500 be the cost price. Now the cost price is 5,500 and he sells the scooter. Sells means selling price. He sells the scooter for rupees 5,800. His gain percent. See, now already told you. In some questions, selling price and cost price is given and you asked to find the gain percent. Then what you need to do? Now we know gain percent is equals to gain into 100 by cost price. What is gain? Gain is not directly given in the question. We need to find the gain. We need to obtain the gain. Okay. Gain is selling price minus cost price into 100 by cost price. Right? What is selling price? 5,800. What is cost price? 5,500 into 100 by cost price. Cost price is 5,500. When you subtract 5,800 by 5,500, you will get 300. I'll write here 300 into 100 by 5,500. 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. Right? Now 300 by 55 is remaining. Now you need to divide 55. 300, you need to divide 300 by 55. When I multiply 55 into 7, 55 into not 7, it will be large, I think 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 275. 275. 5, 2, 0. 5, 25 by 55, right? 5, 25 by 55. Now I can cancel 5 5s are 5 1s are 5 1s are. So final answer is 5 by 11% because it is gain percent, right? Percent. Option B. Clear? Now second question. A shopkeeper purchased 70 kgs of potatoes for rupees 420 and sold the whole lot at the rate of rupees 6.50 per kg. What will be his gain percent? Here also the same question. Gain percent. Selling price is given and even the cost price is given, not directly given the gain. So you need to find the selling price. Even here the selling price and cost price are given little trickily. So find it. A shopkeeper purchased. Purchase means cost price, right? 70 kgs of potatoes for rupees 420. 70 kg of potato. Total 70 kgs for 420 rupees. Then 1 kg is 420 by 70. Right? Total 70 kgs of potatoes cost 420. Then 1 kg of potato. How to find 1 kg of potato? Divide 420 by 70. 0 0 get cancelled. 7 6 are 42. Right? Okay. So here he bought 1 kg for 6 rupees. 1 kg is 6 rupees now. Clear? And then he sold whole lot at the rate of rupees 6.50 per kg. Okay. Selling price is, this is cost price, this is cost price, and he sold whole lot at the rate of rupees 6.50 per kg. 6.50 kg per kg. Okay, sorry, rupees. He sold at the rate of 6.50 rupees per kg. Okay, so what is gain? Here selling price is greater than cost price, right? So here gain, right? Profit. What's happening here? Profit is happening, right? Selling price minus cost price. Selling price 6.50, cost price 6. 6.50, 6.00. If nothing, 6.00, right? 6 rupees. 0, 5, 0. 0.50 is his profit. Right? Now we obtained gain. Now can't we find gain percent? Yes, of course we can find. Gain percent is equals to gain into 100 by cost price. How much is the gain? Gain is 0.50 into 100. Cost price. How much is the cost price? Cost price is here it is, 6 rupees. Now I think you have learned in the decimals chapters in your earlier classes, when I need to remove this point 50, I need to take 2 another zeros in the denominator, right? 1, 2. So put 2 another zeros in the denominator. Delete the 0 into 100. 50 by 600 into 100. 2 zeros get cancelled. Now 50 by 6. 6 by 50. And some more you can reduce. 2 3s are 2 25s are. Now divide this. 3 25. 3 8s are 24. Remaining 1. So answer 8 1 by 3%. I have not written the options here. So answer will be 8 1 by 3%. You'll check, you'll get. Third question. By selling an article for rupees 100, a man gains rupees 15. Then his gain percent is option A 15%, option B 12 2 by 3%, option C 17 11 by 17%, and option D 17 1 by 4%. By selling an article for rupees, selling price is given. Selling an article for rupees, a man gains rupees 15. What is gain? Gain is selling price minus cost price, right? What is selling price here? 100. Cost price we don't know. What is gain? 15. Right? Now to find cost price, take this 100 to the LHS side. It becomes minus 100 minus CP. Right? Now when I subtract 100 by 15, I will get minus 85 is equal to minus CP. This minus get cancelled, right? So CP is equals to 85. Now the question is to find the gain percent. Okay. Now we know gain, we know cost price, we know selling price. Right? So what is gain percent? Gain into 100 by cost price. Right? Gain is given in the question itself, 15. Cost price now itself we obtained, we found 100. Okay, 5 3s are 5 1s are 5 7s are. Okay, 300 by 17. Okay, now divide 300 by 17. 17 twos we can't take because it becomes 34. 34 is greater than 30, so 17 ones are 17, 3, then 2, 1. Okay, then 17 sevens are 190. Check 17 into 7, 1 9s are 11, 119, 119, and then when you subtract 1, becomes 1711 by 17%. Option C. Okay, then fourth question. A man buys an article for rupees 27 point is there 27.50 and sells it for rupees 28.60. Find his gain percent. Okay, option A 5%, option B 4%, option C 7%, option D 10%. Okay, a man buys an article. Buys means cost price, right? Buys an article for rupees 27.50 and sells it for rupees 28.60. Find his gain percent. Okay, what is gain percent? Gain into 100 by cost price, right? Now, gain is not directly given in the question. We need to find gain. What is the formula to find gain? Selling price minus cost price into 100 by cost price. Selling price is 28.60, cost price is 27.50. 0, 0, 6 minus 5, 1, 8 minus 7, 1. Now 0, 1.10. Okay, now we got gain. Selling price minus cost price is 1.10. Cost price is 27.50 into 100. Both sides points are there. Both get cancelled. 110, 2750 into 100. 0, 0 get cancelled. Then 110 into 10 is 1100, then 275. Now divide it. 275, 110. Now 275 3 I'll take 21, 22, 3 2s are 6, 8. I think one more number, rise one more number. 5 4s are 20, 28, 30, 4 2s are 8, 11. Exactly we got 1100. So answer is 4%. Option B. So today in this video we solved questions related to 4 formulas, that is gain, loss, gain percent and loss percent. So I think you are clear with these 4 formulas and related questions. Tomorrow let's solve some more questions related to another formulas. Okay, thank you, have a good day.